Hello everyone. Welcome back to the Digital Know-How channel. Today, I'll guide you on how to create an additional YouTube channel on your computer in 2025 for two scenarios. If you've never created a YouTube channel before or if you already have one and want to create another. First, open a web browser on your computer and go to YouTube at youtube.com. Log into the Google account you want to use. Once you're logged in, click on your profile picture in the top right corner of the screen. If this is your first time creating a channel, you'll see the Create a Channel option directly in the drop-down menu. Click on it. Set your display name and username for the channel, and you can also upload a photo to use as your avatar. And that's it. Your YouTube channel is ready. If you already have a YouTube channel and want to create an additional one, click on your profile picture in the top right corner of the screen. In the drop-down menu, select Settings. You will then be taken to the YouTube account settings page. Look for the Your Channel section in the middle of the screen. Here, you'll see an option labeled Create a New Channel or Add or Manage Your Channels if you already have two or more channels. Click on that option. Next, you'll be taken to a page showing all the channels linked to your Google account. Click on the Create a New Channel button. YouTube will ask you to enter a name for your new channel. Enter the name you want, then click Create. In just a few seconds, your new YouTube channel will be created. Now, you can start customizing your channel by adding a profile picture, cover photo, and writing a description to attract viewers. And that's it. You've successfully created an additional YouTube channel with just a few simple steps. Please note, if you want to create a third channel, you'll need to verify your identity with Google. Click on Verify and follow the instructions provided. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to the Digital Know-How channel for more great tech tips. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.